Welcome to this QuickBooks tutorial where we will cover the essential steps to track expenses in QuickBooks. Tracking expenses is a crucial aspect of managing your business finances, and QuickBooks provides a robust platform to do so. Firstly, you need to set up your expense accounts in QuickBooks. To do this, navigate to the chart of accounts and create a new account for each type of expense you want to track, such as rent, utilities, and office supplies. This will help you categorize your expenses and generate accurate financial reports. Next, you need to enter your expenses into QuickBooks. You can do this by going to the banking menu and selecting Write Checks or Enter Credit Card Charges. Here, you can record the date, amount, and payee for each expense, as well as assign it to the relevant expense account. Another way to track expenses in QuickBooks is by using the Expense feature. This allows you to record expenses that are not related to a specific bank account, such as cash expenses or reimbursements. To access the Expense feature, go to the Employees or Vendors menu and select Enter Expenses. It is also important to reconcile your expense accounts regularly to ensure accuracy and prevent errors. You can do this by going to the banking menu and selecting Reconcile. This will help you match your QuickBooks records with your actual bank statements. In addition to these steps, it is a good practice to regularly review and analyze your expense reports to identify areas where you can cut costs and optimize your spending. QuickBooks provides a range of reports and tools to help you do this, including the Expense by Vendor Summary and the Expense by Account Detail reports. By following these steps and using the tools and features available in QuickBooks, you can effectively track your expenses and gain a better understanding of your business finances. This will enable you to make informed decisions and drive your business forward.